Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a cleaning vlog. I'm sharing with you how I'm prepping the house to, start decorating for the holidays. I'm super excited. Honestly, Christmas time brings joy to my heart. So I'm excited to do this. So I like to first start in the laundry room, and my laundry room needed some TLC. So I'm just here picking everything and moving things that don't belong in the laundry room so we could clear this counter. So yeah, so I usually start in the laundry room so I could put, one load of clothes to wash and one load to dry, and then I move on into cleaning other areas. Multitasking is the key, you guys, when you're cleaning. And thank God I have my little helpers. The hubby and Jaden are always willing to help me clean. So thank God for that. So while that clothes is washing and one load is drying, I'm telling you, I'm over here just cleaning Jaden's bathroom. I love doing this. This is how I get my cleaning on the weekends done super fast. I just do it all, you know, on one day. Then I moved to Jaden's room. I honestly need to finish this room already. Like, I haven't done much to the space, but he doesn't sleep there. And anyways, I just wanted to show you this new rug that I got for his room. Also a new comforter set. So he wanted like car theme, and I got this pretty one on Amazon. I will link it down below, but I will pretty soon I will be finishing his room. And here, just, dusting around the entire house, putting stuff away that is for fall decor here on the guest room so we could prep this room for the holidays. And honestly, all the linens are clean because nobody has slept here. Move into my room, and here we're just dusting and cleaning the area. Honestly, I haven't done any decorating in my room. As you can see, it's a blank canvas. We did get furniture, but that's about it. So hopefully this holiday season I get to finish this space. And I've got nothing else but you on my mind. We got plenty of time. Then I move into, cleaning my bathroom. Jonathan is still helping me out, cleaning those mirrors. Hi, baby, I love you so much. Thank you. And here I am passing the vacuum. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the shower and the top, of course, because this is the things that we use the most in this bathroom. The top for Jaden and the shower for us. So yeah, just gonna clean this up. When I was done cleaning my bathroom, I went ahead and make sure I gave my room a nice vacuum, and then Jonathan went ahead and mapped the room and also the entire second floor, which I'm so happy, while I tackled the kitchen downstairs. So here I'm just putting things away, washing dishes that we did breakfast, and just clear things out, you guys, and cleaning up the kitchen. And of course, we have to pick up the million little toys that Jaden had in the family room, and I'm just picking up the area. And this video here is the next day. I decided to remove all of our fall decor out, start making room for the holiday decor that's gonna come soon. So I just went ahead and undecorated technically by taking out all of our fall decor, which it was so minimal. Everything fit in this one bin except for the pillows, you guys. I was so happy. I'm so definitely simple is better nowadays. Let's see how I do in Christmas. But I'm telling you, this was a breeze when I was undecorating. Just one bin. This is a first, but I'm loving this.
Summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time.
So on the evening, excuse me here in my PJs, but I have to take advantage of the hubby when he got home and start playing with the way we wanted to rearrange this formal living room to make room for the Christmas tree. I drove him crazy because those accent chairs are so heavy, you guys. Swear to God, they're like more than 100 pounds each. But we were just playing here with the way we wanted to, set up the area. And here, my dear hubby took out the big Christmas tree, and this one is gonna be the main one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add other trees throughout. So stay tuned for our holiday decor because it's gonna be stunning. Thanks, babe, for hooking it up.
I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow.
The following morning, I know it is all a process, you guys. It is day after day. We do a little something. So here I am. I had this new rock sitting on my garage, and I was like, hey, let me see if I could switch the one that I had here into my bedroom and put this new one down here. But it ended up being also too small for the space, but I just left it for now. But by the time you guys see me decorating for the holidays, we'll probably have a new rock in this area. You guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you're not part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe. I would love to have you in this family, and stay tuned for all the holiday content coming right up. Have a blessed one, and I will see you all on the next one.